Put a steadfast spirit within me. Do not do not cast me away from your presence, nor deprive me of your Holy Spirit. Give me again the joy of your help. Open my lips, and my mouth shall declare your praise. For in sacrifice you take no delight. Burnt offering from me you would refuse. My sacrifice, a contrite spirit, a humble, contrite heart you will not spurn. In your goodness, show favor to Zion,